Continuing our discussion of creating glowing skin from the outside in, shifting from ingredients on the skin to stimulation of the skin. In my last video, we covered the benefits of facial massage and gua sha. Today, we're focusing on light therapy, and I'll share my personal routine using both massage and light. So light therapy adds this other layer of support to the skin by encouraging the body's natural cellular repair processes, including skin cells. It helps calm inflammation and supports collagen and tissue repair. I've personally noticed changes in my skin over the last 6 months or so, mostly increased smoothness and a subtle lift using a tool from a company called True Beauty Glow. They're not paying me for this. I just genuinely like it. It combines gentle massage with light therapy, and it has several different light settings. That's because the skin responds differently to different wavelengths of light. Each one penetrates to like a different depth of the skin layers and interacts with tissue in specific ways. For example, blue light can help target acne-causing bacteria. A yellow or amber light may help calm certain types of redness like rosacea. But really, red light does the heavy lifting when it comes to skin health, aging, and repair. It looks like this, and I'll show you how to use it in a moment. If you want the link to this tool, comment red light and I'll send it to you. So when it comes to my routine, rather than doing everything every day, I like to alternate a bit. I do gently massage my face for about 2 minutes daily when I apply almond oil. Then 3 to 4 times per week or so after applying oil, I'll use the tool with just light pressure. I work in sections around my face, mostly using upward strokes. The exception is my jaw and neck, where I move downward to support lymphatic flow, especially along the sides of the neck. I'll show you. So red, I go up the jawline and then down this part of my neck. I'll do each section 9 times. So 9 times like that. Then I move up to the next section, do the same thing 9 times. I use this as a section. This is a section. This is a section. Sometimes I'll do it in sort of threes, like three little sections here, 3 here, just to get everything. And then the same thing on both sides, 9 times. On the neck, I'll go up and down a bit because on the face, we really want to lift. But on the neck, we want to lift also, but we want to get rid of that fluid that's in the lymph. So that's how we do that. So both approaches, daily facial massage and using a tool like this one, prioritizes slow movement, light pressure, warm contact, and following the natural contours of the face. This helps oils absorb more evenly, and it supports the skin barrier rather than disrupting it. If your skin looks irritated or flushed afterward, that's a sign that the nervous system read it as stress. So using a lighter touch next time would be more supportive. Consistency matters more than intensity. So barrier nurturing routines tend to look like simple products, gentle, regular touch, and fewer surprises for the skin. When the skin feels supported, not rushed or attacked, it can do what it's designed to do: repair, protect, and glow. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time for Pathway 4 of the Whole Glow.